What's up, Saber fans and non-Saber fans? It's your boy Breeze back again with another install. Today, it's an installation that wasn't a commission. A client did not send it to me. This commission is on a ready-to-ship lightsaber, and it is the 89Sabers Graflex Supreme set up in an Empire Strikes Back configuration. So this is Luke Skywalker's lightsaber from Empire Strike Back by 89Sabers. This one was a really fun one to do. I tried to be as accurate as possible to match the saber that's on screen in Empire Strikes Back. You notice it has the grips, it has the tape that's blocking the Graflex emblem, the two red buttons here, no beer tab. Although the saber will come with the kit that you can convert back to a New Hope configuration, that includes the bubble strip and the glass eye, should you want to do that. But Empire Strikes Back is my favorite episode. But this one was real special. So I put a lot into this one. So I'm gonna undo the clamp here, rotate out, and then it should come right off. You can see the installation on the inside. Take a look at this. So this is a Jimmy Saber Junk chassis, crystal chamber chassis that I painted in antique gold, so it has this look. It was installed with a Proffie 3.9 non-removable 18650 battery. It has a recharge port here, so you can use the adapter to charge the battery. A 28mm Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker, a crystal chamber with a real quartz crystal inside, and a Shtok V3 lit PCB. It's pretty cool. Let's turn it on. This is a Smuggler's Outpost twist kill key, so you don't even have to pull it out unless you charge it. You just have to twist it to activate. Take a look at that crystal. Crystal pulses and idle. There's a lot of different kind of effects that I put with all the different sound fonts on here. So whatever the blade color is, the crystal matches. Either pulse or flicker. I can't remember all the styles that I put on here. It's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and close this back up. It is a 2-button setup. This is your activation button, and this little tab here is your auxiliary button. Let's fire her up. It's really loud, 28mm Smuggler's Outpost speaker. I did turn this thing up too. Here's the auxiliary. Let's check this thing out with a blade. Now, like I said, it has a Proffie 3.9. I put a bunch of sound fonts and blade styles on here, but it's only taking up about half of the board's memory. So there's plenty of room to add more, should you wish. So the cool thing with the Graflex Supreme is that you don't really need a retention screw, even though there's one here, and this also acts as a retention screw. Put the blade in so we can test this out.
Commander Skywalker, do you copy?
This is Dooku.
Master Yoda.
You can even see
Count Dooku.
the crystal effects through the little windows down here on the clamp.
You are under arrest, my lord.
General Grievous, you're shorter than I expected.
I'll show you the dark side.
Master Skywalker, there are too many of them. What are we going to do?
So yeah, guys, that's about it. This one is for sale. I will be listing it on my Facebook page, Instagram, and Reddit. So if you are interested in picking this up, hit me up on one of those. Again, this is an 89Sabers Graflex Supreme set up in the Empire Strikes Back configuration. It will come with the things that you need for a New Hope configuration. It is installed with a Proffie 3.9 non-rechargeable battery. It will come with the charger, so I'll include that. A crystal chamber with a real quartz crystal, and a recharge port with a twist activate kill key as well. All right, so that's it. If you guys need a custom install or a custom neopixel blade, hit me up on Facebook, Instagram. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till next time, may the Force be with you. Peace.